Hello guys, welcome to your own YouTube channel Tech Forest. My name is Bhavesh, trainer of this entire Sophos series. Today we will see how to upgrade our firewall's firmware. Before proceeding for upgrade, always remember to take a backup of your configuration. Although upgradation process will not harm your existing configuration, but still taking backup is a recommended because firewall is one of our most critical devices and we can't afford any risk. In the last video we already saw how to take backup, so you can follow same steps. Apart from this, one another important point, kindly make a note of it. Do not interrupt the process when upgradation is going on. Do not turn off or restart your firewall when upgradation is going on, and make sure firewall is connected with a UPS power only. Any kind of interruption can crash complete operating system of your firewall, this firmware of the firewall, and you'll not able to access it again. So let's start today's video and see how to start upgradation process. Once Sophos launch new firmware, you will get notified by email on your registered email ID. Apart from this, when you will log in, you will get pop-up like this, in which you can see the version name, build version, new features and improvements, and all the resolved issues. You can proceed it from here, upgrade now button, or you can cancel it, because we have one more option to this by clicking on backup and firmware. Here you can see the option of firmware. If you scroll down, you can see latest available firmware. You can click on this option for checking a new firmware. No upgrades available, but here you can see it is already indicating a new firmware version. You can compare with the existing one, 18.0.1. Here you can see 18.0.3. so just go ahead and click on download. It will take little bit time depending on your internet speed. And one more thing, once you will install this, after clicking on install, it will take time. It will restart your firewall and it will terminate all the connections, means it will disconnect all the live users, it will disconnect internet. So make sure you are not doing this upgradation process in a peak hours. Apart from this, have a patience once your firewall is upgrading, because it will take little bit time at the time of system restart. So do not turn off the firewall or restart the firewall. It will automatically turn on and you will able to access it again. So wait for the completion. As you can see, now you have an option to install. Just click on this option and the process is going on. Here you can see our firewall has been successfully upgraded. Here you can see the firmware build version. It's showing one message for storage master key. We will discuss this key in our upcoming videos. If we go on a backup and firmware, here we can see that no record found in a latest available. In a future, if you want to check this again, you can simply click on this option if a new firmware is available, it will give you a message. So this is enough for today's videos, guys. If you are liking my work and effort, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in a next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.